Hi everybody, very warm welcome to Vedantu JEE English channel. This is me, your master teacher Nabamita ji, and I hope that you all are able to see me. Please let me know if you guys can see me and hear me. Am I audible and visible, guys? Can you see me? No? Yes? Any chat? Yes. Hi. Finally, Namrata here. Good afternoon, bacha. Good afternoon. Very warm welcome. So what's up? How is your preparation going? Finally. Amazing. Quickly go and call up your friends also. So I am watching the chat here. When I am looking this side, I'm actually looking at the chat this side. Quickly go and call up your friends and let's start with the session. Yes. Okay, one more second. I also need my specs. Doctor has told me that my power has increased and now I also have like spherical and cylindrical and all of that power. So I must wear my specs all the time I'm looking at the screen. This is what the doctor has told me. Okay, amazing. So let's start with some of the inorganic important questions, and most of these are PYQs, that is previous year questions obviously, from which we can understand what kind of questions will be coming in for this year's exam pattern, or you know, we can definitely understand the pattern of the question paper from the previous year questions, isn't it? So let's start with the inorganic questions, and then there are all the other sessions that have been created in the channel which you might have seen, right? There are organic questions that we're going to do, there are physical questions that we're going to do, all of these we're going to do. So let's take a look at the first question. Everybody with me? Let's start. Yeah, let's start with the first question, guys. And the first question is, the chemical formula of feldspar is, tell me, is it option A, KAlSi3O8, or is it option B, Na3Al-F6, or is it option C, NaAlO2, or is it K2SO4 Al2SO4 3.4AlOH3? Could you tell me, guys, please? Let me know, everyone. Come on. C? No, many of you are wrong. The correct answer is actually option A, okay? Option A is the correct answer. No, bacha log. The correct answer is option A. Feldspar is KAlSi3O8, okay? That is the correct answer, okay? That is the correct answer. You understand this, everybody? Amazing, okay. Moving on from here, now the question is, an oxide it seems. An oxide of an element is a gas and dissolves in water to give an acidic solution. The element belongs to, now these are the old name, okay? These are not the modern periodic table has what? Group 1, group 2, group 13, group 14, group 15, group 16, like this, right? So these are the old names. So an oxide of an element is a gas. Now, what are the gases that you can think of? Yeah, what are the gases that you can think of? And we all know that acidic, right? It is acidic. That means it has to be a non-metal, because we know that non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature, isn't it? Yes. So if it is acidic, then it has to be a non-metal. And which gas is very popular? Of course, we know that it is CO2. So what is the correct answer, my dear student? What is the correct answer? Very good. Well done. It is option B, fourth group. Okay. So in the olden days, group 14 was called as group 4. Get it? Understood? Yes? Amazing. All right. Moving on to the next question. The following are some statements that are related to the 5A group. Okay. That means group 15 we are talking about, and their hydrides. So reducing property increases from NH3 to BiH3. Tendency to donate lone pair decreases from NH3 to BiH3. Thermal stability of hydrides decreases from NH3 to BiH3. Bond angle of hydrides decrease from NH3 to BiH3. Now they are asking you the correct statements are. Which are the correct statements, my dear students? Can we speak about this? Yes. Now we all know that reducing property increases from NH3 to BH3. What is this? This is true, isn't it? This is true. Why is it true? Why is it true? Because we know that reducing nature increases as the stability of hydride decreases down the group, isn't it? Yes, reducing property. Can you guys see this? I will anyway be giving you the PDF, don't worry, okay? Reducing property increases as stability of hydrides decreases. Yes, reducing property increases as stability decreases. Correct? Alright, stability decreases down the group. So this is true. Tendency to donate lone pair decreases from NH3 to BH3. That is also true. This is also true. Right, everybody? Are you guys getting it? Are you guys getting it? No clarity. What is no clarity, Shrinu? Are you not able to see me? Where is there no clarity? Refresh for clarity. Acha, your YouTube is not showing you clarity. Okay, then I'll tell you what you need to do. Okay, what you need to do is right on the top of the YouTube. Okay, right at the corner, top right corner, there is a button. Click on it and change the settings. Okay, change it to advanced mode 480p or 720p. You will be able to see me. Okay, yeah, it's absolutely clear, I guess. Right? I think it's absolutely clear. All the other students are able to see me. Right? All the other students are able to see me, isn't it? Okay, great. Okay, now here also, this is also true. Why is this true? Why is this true, guys? Because the electron density of central atom, not metal atom, sorry, coordination compound I've taught a little too much. So I keep thinking about central metal atom now. The electron density in the central atom decreases. Right? Yes, electron density in the central atom, okay? Electron density in the central atom decreases. Central atom decreases, which is why the second one is also true. Thermal stability of hydride decreases from NH3 to BH3. This we already know this trend, isn't it? We already know this trend from P block. We have studied that as you move down the group, thermal stability of hydrides actually decrease. Bond angle of hydrides also decrease from NH3 to BH3. That is also true, everyone, isn't it? That is also true, right? So that means our option A is the correct answer, right? Just bring the mic a little closer. You guys are not able to hear me or what? Not able to hear me? Just a second, let me see. Audio input capture is fine. Just a second, let's see. Check. Now is it fine? Now is it fine? Are you all able to hear me now? I think this is better. Okay. So did we understand this, guys? Did we understand this, everybody? Acha, now I hope my voice is not low, na? Now it's fine, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, all of them are correct, okay? All of these are correct statements, okay? All of these are correct statements. Chalo, moving on. Among the following, which one is water insoluble? Guys, when we talk about this, which one is water insoluble? We know that sodium fluoride cannot be, potassium fluoride cannot be. Beryllium fluoride, we have particularly read about it that beryllium fluoride is not water insoluble. Rather, it is soluble, whereas magnesium fluoride is water insoluble. Right, everyone? Yes, it is option D. Very good. Beryllium fluoride is the only one in the group 2 element that is actually soluble. Apart from it, calcium fluoride is also sparingly soluble, but magnesium fluoride is insoluble. Right? We know this. Very good. Amazing. Moving on. The formula of the product formed when sodium thiosulfide solution is added to silver bromide is. What do you think is the answer, guys? Okay, I'll move. Yeah, now can you see? Now can you see? Tell me guys, now can you see or not? I hope now you are able to see. Yes, yes. No? What's up? What about now? Now you guys can see me, right? Now there is no problem, Hana? Chalo, tell me, what is this answer? What is this answer? Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. In fact, let me write it down, okay? Let me write it down. What are they saying? They're saying sodium thiosulfate, okay? Sodium thiosulfate, what is sodium thiosulfate? And silver bromide, okay? Let's write sodium thiosulfate, which is 2Na2S2O3 plus silver bromide, so AgBr, right? That means we are definitely going to get something like this, NaBr, plus we will get NaBr, one from here gone. Then we will have Na3, we will have Ag here, we will have S2O3, I think S2O3 will be 2 times, yes, 2 times here, S2O3, Ag gone, yes. I think this makes sense, this makes sense, right? So that means which one is the correct answer, everyone? Which one is the correct answer? You still can't see option D or what, guys? Now can you see? You can see I moved and I came back. Option C, yeah, it is option C, it is option C, it is option C. Very good. Namrata, I moved the mic also. See, now is it fine? I can't move anymore. Anyway, you got it, right? Yeah, option C is the correct answer. Okay. Moving on from here. Which of the following has SS bond? Which of the following has SS bond? Let's make it, no? SS, what will it be? Then double bond O, there will be OH, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think this is the one. Option A is the correct answer. I think it's option A. Option A is the correct answer, no? I think it is option A. No? What do you think? H2S2O6, no? That one only. Yeah, it is option A. It is option A. It really is option A. Okay, which of the following has option? How? I just made it. Aja chalo, you want to know about the structure of H2S2O8. Okay, let's check out this also. Okay, let's check out this also. Structure of H2S2 and O8, right? Okay, let's see the structure of this. Okay, O8 is there, right? There are 8 oxygen atoms, so that means S, O, O, S. Okay, then you will have to draw one O here, one O here, one O here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, and then 8. Sorry, why am I saying 8? Yes, makes sense? Makes sense, everybody? Do I make sense? This is clear? Yes? Chalo. Now let's talk about this also, if you want to know. Yes, here also what will happen is S, yes, another S here, then there will be one O here, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, and then OH and OH. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done? Got it? Clear? Clear, everybody? This is clear now? Yes? Great. Amazing. Mr. Legend, we will do JEE Advanced, but like I said, since I was the only teacher, that's why I was a little scared of doing it only for chemistry. But however, very soon we will have our physics and mathematics teacher joining us, and then from there we will start with our JEE Advanced classes also. Okay, don't worry about it. There will be marathons. throughout, day in and day out. Don't worry about it. We will start very soon. But just give me some days so that our physics and mathematics teacher can also join it. Okay. Alright, chalo, we are done with this also. Moving on now. O2 2 minus is the symbol of, very easy, peroxide ion, right? O2 2 minus is the symbol of peroxide ion. Correct? We know this, isn't it? We know this, right? Amazing. Moving on. The compound in which number of d pi p pi bonds are equal to those present in ClO4 minus is. Alright, ClO4 minus. What is the atomic number of chlorine, guys? Atomic number of chlorine, who can tell me? Yes, Sriram, very good. Who can tell me the atomic number of chlorine? Anybody? Can someone tell me? Atomic number of chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine. Can someone tell me? 17. Isn't it? No one is telling me. No one is telling me. 17. Okay. So 17, that means how can we write it? We can write it as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, right? 10 done. 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Then how much is done here? 10 done. 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 ho gaya. So here it will be 3, 5, right? 3p5, isn't it? Now 3p5, this is your ground state, correct? This is your ground state. If I take it to first excited state, that means what will happen? It will become 3p4 and 3d1 it will become, right? In first excited state, correct? If I take it to second excited state, then what will happen? It will become 3p3 and 3d2, right? Yes. Now if I take it to third excited state, then what will happen? It will become what, guys? But that's it, no? 3p3, 3d2 also makes sense. 3p3, 3d2, that also makes sense, isn't it? Right, everybody? Some of the students are already saying the answer. Very good, very good. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. You are right. Okay. Vigneshwaran, I'm not very sure how much I can pull it. Okay. I cannot do so many sessions all by myself. So you will have to wait. Please, you will have to wait. Okay. I know. Option C, many of you are saying, but that's not the correct answer. That is not the correct answer, guys. Yes. Now, if I take it to third excited state, then what will happen? It will become 3d3 and 3p2. I'm guessing, right? That's what will happen. The third one will also jump. But that hardly happens though. Yes, 3p3, half orbital filled, and 3d2 here. This is perfectly makes sense. At this point, we will be able to see that there will be 3d pi and p pi bond for ClO4 minus. Yes, for ClO4 minus, there are 3d pi p pi bond. Now, what will happen is, let's try to make it for XeO3. For XeO3, we will have one lone pair here. Then we will have O, O, O. Do you see that here also there will be 3 p pi d pi bond? Here also there will be 3 d pi and p pi bond. Am I right, everybody? Yes. So option B is the correct answer, not option C. Okay? Not option C. Option B is the correct answer. Okay? Alright? Very good. Yes, Ganesh, we will try. Pranati, can you please focus on the session, bacha? Every time if you keep asking me these kind of questions, please study first, no? If you don't study, how will you get even the minimum marks? Huh? And what is the psychology that you have, that you only want to know the minimum marks? Let's try to focus on the chapter, on the session, and try to achieve more, na? Can we do that? Yes. Okay. Alright. Moving on. Next question. Tell me, which of the following statements about noble gases are correct? XeO3 is an explosive tetrahedral molecule. Really? Just saw. No, it's not. In Fischer Ring's method, a mixture of CaCl2 and CaC2 is used to remove N2 and O2. Is that correct? Is that correct, guys? What do you think? What do you think about the Fischer Ring method? Does anybody know what is this Fischer Ring method? Uh-huh. Actually, in Fischer ring method, what happens, guys? Separation of noble gas mixture by separation of noble gas mixture, dry and pure air is passed over 90% CaC, 90% CaC2, okay, 90% CaC2, 90% CaC2 and 10% of CaCl2. So this is correct. This is correct. Okay. Then when we see the next one, which one is the next one? Helium and neon are chemically inert due to lack of d orbitals and high ionization potential. Absolutely, this makes sense. Yes, they do not have d orbitals and they do have high ionization potential. It's not easy for you to take that one electron away. Can you take that one electron away from helium and neon? Not at all possible. They will not give away that one electron because they are very stable, right? They are very stable. Now at 173 Kelvin, helium and neon are activated, absorbed and activated on charcoal. No. So that means only 2 and 3 are correct and option B is the correct answer. Very good. Khaja, Molly, Sneha Patel, everybody has answered. Well done, well done. Very good. Chalo, moving on. Next question. Chlorine atom in its third excited state with fluorine to form a compound X. The formula and shape of X are, okay guys, if you remember, check this out. 3, 2 and here see 3D3, 3P2, right? 3 plus 2 is already 5, yes. And then what will happen? Here will also be 3S, 3P, 3D, right? So what will happen? 5 plus 2, 6, 7 and then there will be another 2. 5 plus 2, see 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 7 electrons will be there in the last shell, isn't it? 7 are unpaired in the last shell, isn't it? That means it is going to be ClF7. Don't you think so? It's going to be ClF7 pentagonal bipyramidal, right? Right, everybody? Right? Correct or not? Tell me. Once again, acha chalo, let's do it. Chlorine, okay? What did we do? 17 is the atomic number. That means that it will become 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Right? Yes? Correct? So that means, and then there is 3d0. Let's write 3d0. Okay? But don't you understand that I can also write it like this, 3s. This is 3s. For 3p, I can write it like this, 3p. And then here is our 3D, right, which is right now in the ground state it is 0. In the ground state it is like this, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, isn't it? Now in the first excited state, in the first ES, what will happen? This will go here, yes. In the second excited state, this will also go here. In the third excited state, what will happen? In the third excited state, even this will go here. So 3, 2 here, yes, and 2 here, correct? So 3 plus 2, 4. 4 unpaired electrons are there. If there are 4 unpaired electrons, that means fluorine atom or fluorine electrons, 7 of them will come to fill these orbitals. And once it is filled, it will become ClF7 pentagonal bipyramidal. Do we make sense? Do we understand this? Yes, we do. So option D is our correct answer, right? Moving on. Which one of the following pairs of reactant does not form oxygen when they react with each other? Hey, don't you think this is also very simple? Cl2 plus NaOH will definitely form NaCl, isn't it? It will definitely form NaCl, right? Yes. Will it form oxygen? Will it form oxygen? No. So it will form NaCl and then it will form H2O, right? It will form H2O. So option C is our correct answer. Option C is our correct answer. Right? Amazing. Great. Done. Moving on. Sulfur trioxide is dissolved in heavy water to form a compound X. What will be the compound, guys? Sulfur trioxide. That means SO3 plus D2. Yes. This, when you dissolve in heavy water, it will definitely become D2SO4. Right? Now, in D2SO4, what will be the hybridization state of sulfur? Absolutely right. Option B, sp3. Option B, sp3. A. Option B, sp3. Not option C, SP. Who all said option C? Afra, no bacha. No. It has to be option B, no. sp3 hybridization, yeah. You check it out. Check out the hybridization later, okay. It has to be sp3 hybridization. Very good. Now, what is the number of sigma and pi bonds present in sulfuric acid molecule? Sulfuric acid, that means H2SO4, S, double bond O, O, H, O, H, right? This is your sulfuric acid. Sigma bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sigma bond. There will be 6 sigma bond. How many pi bond? There are 2 double bond as we can see. So 2 pi. That means option A is the correct answer. Yes. Option A is the correct answer, right? Am I right, guys? Very good. Amazing. Now, what is the product formed when ozone reacts with mercury? So Hg plus O3. What will it form? What will it form? Hg2O plus O2, right? This is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. This will be our reaction. Am I right, guys? Making sense? Making sense? Yes. Very good. Amazing. Which of the following is a strong base? Oh, come on. We all know that moving down the group, on going down the group, what happens? On going down the group, yes, basicity decreases. Basicity decreases. So that means option C, NH3, right on the top will be the strongest base in this group. Yes, absolutely right. EDTA 4 is one question from coordination compound I have kept because I know that 1% of coordination compound from inorganic chemistry is allotted, right, in the complete paper weightage part. So EDTA 4 is definitely a hexadentate ligand, right? It is a hexadentate ligand, correct? Very good. Amazing, guys. Moving on. Which one of the following is correct? Let's see. Ionic radius of Fe3 plus is greater than Fe2 plus. How is it possible, guys? This is not possible at all. How will ionic radius of Fe3 plus be greater? Fe3 plus already has lesser number of electron. So the ionic radius will be smaller, right? So this is wrong. This is wrong. Atomic radius of chlorine atom is greater than the ionic radius of chloride ion. Is it possible? Is it possible? Not. Electron affinity of phosphorus is greater than nitrogen. Oh yes, this is true. This is true. Right? So option C once again is the correct answer. Now, the atomic number of elements A, B, C and D are Z minus 1, Z, Z plus 1 and Z plus 2. Okay, let's try to solve this. Let's try to solve this. Understand. Now they're saying that B is a noble gas. That means this is B. This is a noble gas. This is a noble gas. Okay. Z minus 1. This will definitely be in group 17. This will be an halogen, right? Z plus 1. This will be a group 1 element. This will be a group 1 element. Yes. That means alkali metal, right? This is an alkali metal. This is an alkali metal. Correct. And Z plus 2, my dear student, this will be an alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. Right. That means group 2. Yes. Now they are saying that A has highest electron affinity. Because it is group 17, of course it wants to attain that 1 electron and attain the stability or attain the noble gas configuration. Am I right? Yes. So A has highest electron affinity. Definitely. C exists. C is this. This exists in plus 2 oxidation. Group 1 element. Group 1 element can only give away 1 electron. It only exists in plus 1 oxidation state. So this is wrong. It cannot exist in plus 2 oxidation state. Right? Yes. Then D is an alkaline earth metal. Yes, this is what exactly we have written, that this is an alkaline earth metal. So that means that our option 1 and 3 are correct. Option 1 and 3. Option C is once again the correct answer. Right? Are we getting cleared on these, guys? Yes, these are all the things that you are clear with. Amazing. Moving on. elements with atomic number 38 belongs to, actually it should be only element with atomic number 38 belong to, let's see, 38 will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, right? Then what will happen? 4p6, 5s2, is that what it is? 2, 2, 10, 20, 30, and this. Okay, so 5s2, that means fifth period. 5s2, that means fifth period. Yes, and because there are only 2 electrons in the outermost shell, that means it belongs to group 2, which means that it is option A. Yes, as per the olden older convention, not olden days. Yes, for the olden days, modern periodic table. This is modern periodic table where we say that group 1, group 2, group 13, group 14 and all of these. But in the olden days, this was considered to be 2A, right? So option A is the correct answer. Am I right, everybody? Yes, absolutely nice, amazing. Now, the first ionization potential of 4 consecutive elements present in the second period of the periodic table are second period, okay, second period. So that means if this is our periodic table here, 1 and 2, this is our D block, then here is all P block. So not in the first period, in the second period it belongs, okay, second period. That means it has to be the topmost element of P block, topmost element of P block, okay. Now the ionization potential are 8.3, 11.3, 14.5 and 13.6, yes, electron volt respectively. Which one of the following is the first ionization potential in electron volt of nitrogen? Alright guys, tell me what is the atomic number of nitrogen? What is the atomic number of nitrogen, everybody? Tell me. What is the atomic number of nitrogen, everybody? Guys, I will move. Acha chalo, now can you see? Now can you see? 7, very good. If it is 7, then how can I write it? I can write it as 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now do you see 2p3? 3, that means it is half filled. That means it is half filled. If it is half filled, that means stability will be high. That means stability will be high, right? If stability is high, can we understand that the ionization potential will be very high, right? So ionization energy or ionization potential, ionization energy is high, it's going to be very high. Highest is option D, 14.5. So can we say that it has to be 14.5? Does it make sense, guys? Does it make sense, everybody? Do we understand that it has to be option D? Amazing. Oh, that's it. We are done. We are done with the first session, that is our inorganic chemistry questions. So inorganic chemistry questions are done here. Please do join our Telegram channel. Yes, the Telegram channel link will be in the description box. Join the Telegram channel or just find it JEE Enlight, it will be written, okay, Enlight, or JEE English channel, okay, JEE English channel. All right, yes, just type it out in the Telegram channel, join the Telegram channel, because this PDF I'll give it to you in the Telegram channel so that you can also practice. And if you want to stay in touch with me, you can also stay in touch with me on my Instagram account, that is Nabamita_Nobita or Nabamita aka Nobita. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because this channel is going to help you with your JEE advanced preparation, is going to help you with JEE 23, JEE 24, is going to help you with your BITSAT, EAMCET, VIT EEE, MET, all of these exams, and absolutely in English and absolutely free of cost. So I'll see you very soon, and with this note, Tara, bye-bye, study well, your EAMCET exams are very, very nearby. I'll provide you the PDF and practice. Bye. See ya, everybody. See ya. Bye.